Let's have a closer view of this product in detail. Here are some features that you may want to consider. Let's have a look at the solid Martin Svensson Home Monterey natural wood coffee table, which will set nicely in any part of your home. It's available in multiple colors and styles. The color that we're looking at right now is called the Reclaim Natural, which is a natural finish featuring wormwood details. This unique coffee table is built with solid wood construction, which is made with Chilean pine wood with the added touch of antique pewter metal hardware for your handle. The spacious drawer slides out smooth with no drawer stopper. Here I'll be demonstrating the 2 drawers on each side. This Monterey coffee table combines the coastal and the farmhouse style into a fashionable and functional table. The Monterey solid wood end table and console table are also available. Shortly, I'll be showing you my favorite feature and the other 2 drawers on the other side, along with a closer view of the detail in the wood grain. Here's my favorite feature. In the bottom compartment, you can conveniently store couch pillows or blankets. Now let's have a close detailed look at the wormwood wood grain. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.